Friends, I am Viraj Deshmukh from Greenland High School in class 10th. Today my topic is civil disobedience movement. So let's start. Medium. Gandhiji chose SART as a medium for protesting against the British. At that time, for using the SART, the British have give the SART tax. So for using the SART, we need to give the tax to British, and we can't also manufacture the SART in our own country because the British said that British have monopolized the salt, so we can't manufacture salt also. So the Gandhiji thought that if the medium for uniting the nation, Gandhiji chose the salt to protest against the British rule. So then next is 31st January 1930. Gandhiji sent letter to Viceroy Irwin, starting 11 demands, especially abolition of salt tax. Now here the Gandhiji at 31st January 1930, Gandhiji wrote a letter and sent to Viceroy Irwin that he mentioned that 11 demands, and the special demand is that of salt tax, because at that time we know that the British have given the taxes on salt. So Gandhiji have wrote the special demand that abolition of salt tax. The next is the government was asked to accept the demands by 11th March. Then the Gandhiji have also mentioned that if you doesn't accept all my demands before the 11th March, then I will start my civil disobedience movement. So Gandhiji have warned to the British means Lord Irwin that if you doesn't accept my 11 demands before the 11th March, then I will start my civil disobedience movement. And at the next, the Lord Irwin doesn't accept the 11 demands. So Gandhiji have started his favorite civil disobedience movement. Next is Salt March. Mark the beginning of the civil disobedience movement. The Salt March is the beginning of the civil disobedience movement. The beginning of the civil disobedience movement is Salt March. So the Gandhiji started from Gandhi's ashram in Sabarmati to Gujarati coastal town of Dandi. So for manufacturing the salt, the Gandhiji want to go to Dandi, means at the Gujarati coastal town. So for going that, the distance of their journey is total 240 miles, and the Gandhiji have gone to Dandi with his 78 trusted volunteers. So the total distance of the journey is 240 miles, and the Gandhiji and his trusted 78 volunteers have covered per day 10 miles, and they complete their full journey in after 24 days. At 6th April 1930, violated the law by manufacturing salt by seawater. Here now, the Gandhiji reached at 6th April 1930. At the 6th April 1930, the Gandhiji have manufactured salt from seawater in front of the government salt factory. So at the 6th April 1930, they violated, means they broke the salt law. And the next is Gandhi's Green Pact. This pact was now next what happened? Then the spread has been occurred. The spread means what happened that time. Soon the movement spread to the entire nation. Means that Gandhiji have manufactured and broken the law. So this movement has been spread toward the entire nation. So what happened? Then all people know that Gandhiji have broken the law. So the peasants in that peasants have refused to pay revenue and chowkidari taxes. Means the peasants doesn't pay the revenues and chowkidari taxes. Violated forest law by going into reserve forest for collecting wood. At that time, British also make a law for forest like the forest law. So means in that forest we can't go and we can't collect the woods. So the peoples have gone into the forest and break the law by collecting the woods. Colonial laws were violated. Salt was manufactured in numerous places. Means that same like that Gandhiji have manufactured salt. So what happened? The people also manufactured in numerous places. Means at the different places the people have manufactured salt and broke the salt law. Then the next is what government's response means the government's response. The Gandhiji have manufactured a start and broke the laws. So what happened? The government has got fear that Gandhiji is breaking all laws. So government got fear, and we know that if the government got fear, then he do like bad things. Means he do like that. He arrested Abdul Ghaffar Khan at April 1930. So, and the Abdul Ghaffar Khan was from Peshawar. So, in the Peshawar, the violence has been created too much. At that 1 month later, the Gandhiji also get arrested. So, at the and the Gandhiji was arrested from Sholapur. So, at that time, Sholapur also get too much violence. Then next was the government have beaten women and children, then and peasant Satyagrahi also about 1 lakh people off. About 1 lakh people of Congress has been get arrested. So the next is our Gandhi Irving Pact. The Gandhi Irving Pact. This pact was a consent to the Round Table Conference and the government agreed to release political prisoners. Means at that time what happened? The Lord Irving has get to that the Gandhiji has been got arrested. So the Lord Irving have gone to meet the Gandhi and said to make a pact with him to that and the Gandhiji also tell to Lord Irving that if we if we make the pact then all the prisoners will get to release. If you release the all prisoners, then I will come to the second roundtable conference. Then next time, so when the Gandhiji go to the pact of Irving, so we named at Gandhi Irving Pact. Then the next is about December 1931, Gandhiji went to London for the second roundtable conference. And at December 1931, at December 1931, the Gandhiji go to London and attend the second roundtable conference. But at the next what happened? The Gandhiji have disappointed and come in India. So this is the end of the civil disobedience movement. Thank you.